A man walks into a doctor's office looking a little nervous. The doctor asks what seems to be the problem. The man says, "Doctor, I think my wife is losing her hearing." The doctor smiles and says, "Well, here is a simple test. Stand at a distance and say something. If she does not respond, move a little closer and say it again. Keep doing that until she hears you." So the man goes home and sees his wife cooking in the kitchen. From the living room, he asks, "Honey, what is for dinner?" No response. He walks a little closer and asks again, "Honey, what is for dinner?" Still nothing. Now he walks right up behind her and says loudly, "Honey, what is for dinner?" A short pause. His wife turns around and says, for the third time, "Chicken."